Hello everyone, in this video we are installing the PentBox and then we are using the Honeypot. So from this link you will download the PentBox first. Unzip the PentBox folder. So you need the Ruby programming language. For that you will use this command to install that. Start the PentBox by using this command. We are using the option 2, the network tools, and then inside in the network tools there will be Honeypot at third number. Here you have two options, the fast auto configuration and manual configuration. So we are using the manual configuration. You can use the option 2 and then you can use the port number. I'm using the 23 port, and then you will insert the file message to show. You can just type any message here. And then you will save the log file with intrusions. Yes. So the Honeypot is activated on port 23. Now I'm generating the attack from the Kali Linux. So this time you will use the telnet command and scan that machine again. You can see the important machine do not tamper. The same message is appear in Kali Linux machine. So I generated the attack from Kali Linux, and you can see this is the Honeypot is activated and intrusion attempt is detected from 192.168.1.5. This is the Kali Linux IP address. You can see again intrusion attempt is detected with all the time and date and with the IP address of attacker machine. So now I'm again using the Honeypot, and this time I'm using the option 1 with the fast auto configuration. in the honeypot, and it is activated on port 80. And then again I am just accessing that system from the browser, from the attacker machine, and you can see the access is denied, and here intrusion attempt is detected with all the required information. So again I'm starting the PentBox and the honeypot, and this time I'm using another port by using the second option, manual configuration. I'm just using the port 22 this time, and then again same steps you can follow, like you can insert the file message to show. So this time you can use the SSH command to scan that machine again, and connection is closed on port 22 because it is a secure port, so the intrusion attempt is detected. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I need your support to subscribe this channel, like the videos. Thank you.